Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix silent Telegram notifications on iPhone. So the first thing that you can try is to turn on notification sounds for Telegram. And to do that, you have to go to settings, scroll down until you find apps. And after that, look for Telegram. And here, as you can see, there is an option called notifications. You should be sure that sounds are enabled, so you will receive the notifications of Telegram, and also don't forget to activate allow notification. The second part is to check the Telegram internal notification settings. So we go to Telegram, open the app. After that, we go to settings. And here you have to scroll down until you find notifications and sounds. And here you have to be sure that in-app sounds are activated. So, and if there is any other notification that you want to activate, they should be activated. And after that, you have to be sure that the chat that you are not receiving the notifications from is not a muted chat. I will give you an example. So for example, I will long press on this conversation and I will mute it. And as you can see, if the conversation is muted, you will see that speaker icon next to the name of the conversation. And if a conversation is muted, you will not receive any notifications from it. So what you have to do is to unmute the conversation to receive the notification from it. After that, you have to check that your phone is not put it on silent mode. You have to check that it's not on silent mode and that the volume is up, so voice is working on your phone. And also another thing that you can have to do is to reset the notifications permissions from Telegram. To do it, you have just to go back to settings and to turn off notifications and turn it on again. And after that, restart your phone and try to send message again to Telegram and to see if you receive the notification or not. And last but not least, you have to check that there is no new update for Telegram, because sometimes if your application is so old, you may start seeing some problems with it. And check also if there is some new update for the iOS that you are using. Go to General and Software Update and check if there is update also for iOS. And by checking those solutions, I'm pretty sure that one of them will work for you and will solve this problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this